The Noise Next Door are coming to Helmsley.
You shall be the envy of the whole court, sir.
Britain's premier improv comedy group will turn audience suggestions into hilarious scenes.
Are you a son of Adam or a daughter of Eve?
And incredible songs.
We've got an deck there in charge. I'm still not sure which one is which.
Oh, come on, Master Frodo, please. Look, I've been carrying every bag the entire way.
The Guardian calls it comedy gold. Immaculately well executed, says the Times.
Are you giving me lip sandwich,
No, Mr. Frodo.
Gandalf trusted me, he didn't trust you, Sam.
No, you mentioned that.
They performed alongside the likes of Michael McIntyre and Romesh Ranganathan, as well as on BBC and ITV.
And the deck's wellies and they're ready to rumble.
For a night of laughter and originality, come and see the Noise Next Door Hometown Heroes at the Helmsley Arts Centre on the 14th of October.